Andrew here, Sterilize Autoclave Solutions, Clearwater, Florida, Charlotte, North Carolina, 704-966-1650. We are diagnosing and repairing an old style Midmark M9 right here. This came from a local plastic surgeon in the Tampa Bay area. Upon initial review, this is what the chamber looks like. This is the heating element. This is where the all the instruments that are being used from one person to the next is sterilized. And this is pretty nasty, honestly. This hasn't been cleaned in a long time. So you got buildup and stuff. This is a heating element. And then you also got a biofilm. Look at that. Ugh. Gross. So anyways, this is, again, this is what this water comes in from this reservoir. It goes inside of this chamber with all the instruments, and it's being sterilized and then reused from instrument or patient to patient. I'm going to show you real quick how to kind of clean some of that out of there. Jake, if you could just pull this thing up here. We are going to basically just bring this to the edge. We're bringing the machine to the edge towards the sink. And then we're just going to take the reservoir and do like that. So you can see all the nastiness coming out of there. And then we're just going to add regular water. Look at that. Regular water into the reservoir and just kind of filter some of that out. Probably do this 4, 5, 6 times. All right, so when cleaning the reservoir to get rid of all that biofilm, we use Autoclave. You can get that on our website. Squirt about 2 ounces in there. Depending on how bad it is, you might want to squirt more in. And then we also use a toilet brush. And we scrub the walls, scrub down in, rinse, and keep redoing that method. Also, it's good to put that Autoclave in over the weekend when the autoclave is not being used. Let it do its work, and then drain it out of the reservoir Monday morning and add a fresh reservoir distilled water. We can do this for you. This should be done weekly, draining the water, that easy. 704-966-1650. Sterilize Autoclave Solutions. Thank you.